Get ready for a wild ride on 5 epic slides at Aquatopia Indoor Waterpark at Camelback Resort. With tropical temps year-round, the splash-filled thrills never take a season off. First, grab your crew for Venus SlydeTrap. This massive raft slide sends 3 to 6 riders spinning through dark tunnels, wild twists, and big drops for a one-of-a-kind, can't-stop-laughing thrill. Next up, Mountain Mayhem. This enclosed aquatube lights up with colorful effects as you race through sharp curves and unexpected dips. Ride solo or double up for a fast, light-bending adventure. Go big on Storm Chaser, North America's longest indoor water coaster. You'll rock it uphill, plunge through 5 drops, and whip through high-speed turns that keep the adrenaline pumping from start to finish. Next, test your balance on the Bombora FlowRider. This indoor surf simulator lets you carve, wipe out, and try again on a continuous wave. No ocean required. If you're all about speed, the Himalayan is for you. Hop on and send it headfirst down this 300-foot slide packed with speed and streaks of light. Ready to take the plunge? Check out DiscoverNEPA.com for more heart-pounding thrills.